In this video, I will go over how to receive support from GW. In today's session, we'll cover who do we support, where can I find support, who can I call, and support. So who does GW support? The simple answer to this is anyone who uses GW products. Districts, schools, instructors, students. While we do support students, we encourage the student to communicate with their instructor first. Where can I find support? The starting point would be to check out our FAQs. You can go to support.g-w.com/home, g-w.com/FAQ/FAQ home, or you can go to g-w.com/online textbooks/FAQ. We have a training materials page, and you can go to g-w.com/training. Check out our recorded webinars at g-w.com/webinars. Who can I call? You can contact your educational consultant. If you don't know your educational consultant, you can search for that at g-w.com/consultant. You can call customer service at 1-800-323-0440. Support. Open a support ticket at g-w.com/open-ticket. If you have any questions, feel free to contact GW support or customer service.